Huevos grande!
I like how your seat's going. Wow, this is pretty cool, man. A lot of fur.
Synthetic fucking wolf hair.
A lot of work. Yeah, what was your name?
Ken.
Ken, Jacob.
Yeah. I'm the Dixie Devil. I'm the guy that was on Ripley's.
Yeah,
They put the
really?
hooks in my flesh and picked me up with a helicopter over the Hollywood sign.
Yeah.
I did the guns on Kevin Gates.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it. Nice to meet you, man.
I'm a street team sales rep for DS18.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. I appreciate that. So,
No
hey,
problem, bro.
could you tell me what all really real quick, like tuning and the specs of the box?
Yeah, and I built it all myself
You did? Okay.
in my driveway.
Really? Awesome.
Usually it hits better than that, but I split that fucking woofer.
I understand. Don't blow
I'm
anymore.
gonna put some flex steel on it. It'll be
That's
fine.
right. Yeah, that's right. So what is it tuned to?
Huh?
What's this tuned to? What's it tuned to?
It's tuned at 38.
38? Okay.
37 was those low notes.
Yeah.
I haven't had a 38 in here. I got some 38s, but Anthony Kimball put me some music.
Yeah.
I left my thumb drive.
Oh, we're good. Don't worry about it, man. I appreciate it, man. All DS18.
See, the highs are really, really loud.
It's so clean. Yeah.
You see in the trunk.
I'm about to go look at it. Nice.
Everything 100% DS18.
What kind of batteries are these?
Infinite power DS18 lithium.
Lithium.
100 AH.
Really?
200s. I got the 350 alternator, but it's been souped up to 380 underneath the hood. Got the DS18 alternator.
Really? I have to check that out. Wow.
All DS18, yes sir. Nice to meet you, man.
Can I shut the door?
You come over here.
Over here? Alright. Oh, sorry.
Thank you for calling 1-800-RUSTED Hotline, making better beats for winter seeds. I helped you out of broken. Falling for you was my mistake.
Check out my official JACOBVIRAL merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is JACOBVIRAL, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.